Welcome to Letter Combinations. Today we will learn about two important letter pairs in English, CK and QU. These combinations appear frequently in common words, and understanding their sounds will help you read and pronounce English words more accurately. Let's start with CK. The letters C and K together make one sound, the hard K sound, like in the word back. When you see CK at the end of a word, remember it makes just one K sound, not two separate sounds. Listen carefully, back, back. The CK combination is very common in English words. Now let's learn about QU. The letters Q and U always go together in English. Together, they make the KW sound, like in the word queen. You will almost never see the letter Q without the letter U following it. Listen, queen, queen. The QU combination creates that distinctive KW sound. Here are more examples to practice. CK words include black, thick, and clock. QU words include square, question, and aquarium. Notice how the CK sound is always hard and sharp, while the QU sound has that KW beginning. Practice saying these words aloud to train your ear and mouth to recognize and produce these sounds correctly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.